Kamil ru ti nrei barok men step kalang kalaya jai ha karukom long jongka jing thep vut te kensan ha kita kipor hi
Give us information on this, but something has to be written that you are completing this description that you want to or like you got the point.
You go for one round. Yeah.
So we received information around 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that, we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Kani ka polling station jong Wapung Skur E bakadei jong kishen rang bat B pada kadei jong ki kentai te hakani pada barok tayat bet men step di kamdon ni ai kadon kajing ya sutu bakla men step kendiak layapan bet te kalayat bet barok te hadu hatwei angko kalayat bet ka kam barok nrei hadin pada rumtu hakapor hatwei lai kusan tinggi yo nak report bakala don kata kajing wan jom kita kibriu kibam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam na kaliang presiding kat polling team jong presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti mi thu khmat kisuwan kisu le force entry nang ta kisu penpat penperalut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya kai ka kam penle election te ha ka ju popor hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada kilet sahapo sakita kiwei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada kisdang sakitaru kilet ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat lut ya kitiar EVM kibamla itu khmat ti habaki nakliak jung kisnong ru kila penjai-jai ya ki tang ba mla ban itu khmat kisuwan kirung bet ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei barok men step kalang kalaya jai ha karukom long jongka jing thep vut te kensan ha kita kipor hi isu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban itu khmat weiru ki ong babun bamla ban itu khmat te ni nang hab banwat jing thep ya kata
ha kan ko durung itu khmat they cover the face or what
dem ki klam cover tamap ki priu ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim itu ki kim tip ya ki dei national ne kim dei ru tip okay ti stang ki snong hi ki laban pek mi kata nai nakaliang jong polling team jong ni ki ong nim itu ki dei na ei kim ong badai na ei ru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki surung bai forcefully surung bai ki supen surung ki suwan pen pat bai